A proper way to practice English, that is, when you travel any place, you have to explain this place in English. If you explain this place in English, you can get so many sentences in English. But if you try to explain this sentence in Bengali, you have to translate Bengali to English. That will really have many time, but it's not proper system. You have to explain this place in English. For example, I have come here this beautiful place, and I am making some sentences about this place. This place is beautiful, the sun is shining, look like fire. I have to make some question and answer in this beautiful place. When you travel a beautiful place or any place, you have to make some sentences in English, and you have to think in English about this beautiful place. So thank you for watching this video. If you seem the video is helpful for you, so share this video.